How to clear clipboard on iPhone. To clear clipboard on your iPhone, go ahead and first of all open Notes. Once you're in, open a note from here. Then, select a sentence from the note. After that, tap on Copy. Now, minimize the application. Then, open Shortcuts from the home screen. Once you're in, go to the gallery at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, tap on this search bar over here. Now, search by typing clipboard. After that, you need to scroll down. Tap on Adjust Clipboard. After that, tap on the Add Shortcut button. Now, go to Shortcuts at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, tap on Adjust Clipboard. Now, from here you can edit the message on your clipboard, but here we are going to erase it. Once you have finished erasing the messages on your clipboard, tap on Done. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear clipboard on iPhone.